Okay, so another great adductor stretch is the Goalie stretch. This one's going to be for the long adductors because we're going to have our legs straightened. So we're going to catch the adductors that cross that knee joint as well. So what we're going to do here is we're going to kneel on one side. You're going to take one leg, you're going to extend it out. So just like with the frog stretch, you're going to walk yourself forward a little bit so those hips are ahead of that knee and ahead of that thigh or that leg. Once again, I want to keep a nice neutral position. From here, again, we're actively sinking those hips back. I'm keeping my spine nice and neutral. So you're going to drop back just as far as what's comfortable for you. And again, actively squeeze forward. So we're just going to rock back and forth a little bit, kneading a little bit deeper into that stretch as we go. Again, keep that spine nice and neutral, slow and controlled with those rocks. And get a nice stretch out of those adductors. So a little side view for you. We're going to be in that kneeling position. Again, we're going to set up forward first. It's a little bit easier here. And then glide back, nice and actively sinking, reaching with my tailbone, keeping my spine nice and neutral. And then just actively rocking and kneading myself deeper into that stretch. Alright, and that is your Goalie stretch.